Hi YouTube, today I will show you my Vstrom 650 2012. I will talk about the add-ons and the accessories I added. So let's do it. So first, the windshield that come with my Vstrom has this extender here. It was a little short, so I made a new plexiglass about 1.5 inches longer. I have no buffeting and no wind in my helmet. Next, I have put strong LED turn signals bulbs. They are just MR16 kitchen bulb that I fit into these turn signals. Let me show you. This is what it looked like from the rear. Very, very bright. Mine comes with heated grips, Oxford, very nice to have, especially in cold weather. Added fog lights too, connected to the high beam switch, so I don't have to search the switch all the time. Bottle handle for coffee, smoothie, and whatever. From the dollar store, this is for bicycle. Very, very handy. I use it all the time. I clip it on the mirror handle. Next, phone mount from Amazon, about $20. Very handy. And this low profile here, it's possible to mount the Mavic Mini controller. You can see, I will put a link down in the description for this video to mount the Mavic Mini controller from DJI. Risers. I have two sets. The first one is 1 inch, and second ones are 2-inch pivot risers. Way more natural sitting position. Just better for off-roading. I can stand. Way more comfortable and agile for the jump and bumps. I remove the ABS because I found that stock brake feel is very spongy. I remove the ABS because you cannot upgrade the lines with the ABS system. So I've put stainless steel. It's way better. Very firm feel. This is just a little tank bag from the dollar store that I found. I have put electricity, 12-volt input, so I can charge my stuff, my cell phone, controller, drone. I have accessories here. It can be extended right there. Way more space that way, almost the double. I've taken the old magnet from my broken old tank bag. The crash bar were already there when I bought the bike, but I have added the highway bar foot pegs. This is just threaded shaft with locking nuts right here. So I screwed these two, and that was just a foot peg that was laying around. If I ever hit something, at least it will fold. Very comfortable in the long run. I don't like to have a side case all the time, so I have put these little bags here. They are high-vis. The people can see me. I can stuff it with battery pack, tools, one each side. My tires are the Shinko 705. This is the size of the tread. I have upgraded the rear spring to 12.5 off-road 2 with a passenger. No more suspension trampoline. Super loud manual horn. Very scary. There is a hidden outlet plug, 12-volt lighter plug, and the front forks too. What I have done, I have taken the spring out and cut the progressive portion of the spring. This is what it looks like. The piece of springs I have cut is about 1.5 inch, maybe 2. It's make a huge difference in the handling. No more soft feeling when you take the curves. Before it was wallowing when I take the curves and there was pothole and the bike just wanted to go outside the curve. Now very stable and precise. Now I will talk about my luggage. I don't drive like this, of course. How it works is just basically a DeWalt tool case, and I have replaced the logo for Suzuki and Vstrom there. How they work? They are stackable. If you ever go to the hotel, you can see here there is a slot that I've made with a Dremel, so they are not waterproof, and I have put pins there with just pretty standard bolt, so they slide right in. And I have made this little they were designed to be under the chair to adjust the height, and I've made little knob, so you just come here and you screw. This will screw in this. The pins are there. This is very sturdy. Not going anywhere. The same goes with the other two. They slide right in like this. You screw the little knob right in the case. Very sturdy. They must be around 20 liters of capacity. And the last one, they have a slot and goes right in this. You put the screw. They are very easy to put and remove on the motorcycle. So very sturdy again. Isn't going anywhere. And say that you're on a trip, you have stopped to an hotel, something, and you want to quickly remove your case. You just unscrew the three knobs. This takes about 30 seconds. And you can just stack them like this. Same thing again. Put it right there. Look. Look. And now you have your all your luggage on only one end. You can take it like this too, so it's easy to carry around. So that's it, guys. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment. I will do my best to answer. Just let me know what do you think of this video, and consider subscribing. It will help me a lot. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Thank you.